Are you spending entire weekends creating lesson plans that leave you exhausted before the week even begins? You're not alone. Picture this. It's Sunday night, you're surrounded by textbooks and sticky notes, trying to piece together engaging activities for tomorrow's science unit on photosynthesis. Hours pass, your coffee gets cold, and you're still staring at a blank template wondering how to make plant biology exciting for 30 restless 8th graders. But what if I told you there's a way to create dynamic, engaging lesson plans complete with visual aids and interactive content in just 15 minutes? And no, this isn't about cutting corners or lowering your standards. Here's the game-changing solution that's revolutionizing how teachers plan their lessons. You'll use 3 powerful AI tools working together: Claude for intelligent content creation, Gamma for stunning presentations, and VideoGen for engaging video content. Let me break this down into 5 simple steps that will transform your planning process forever. Step 1. Upload your existing lesson plan to Claude. Take any lesson plan you've used before, even if it's outdated or incomplete. Claude will analyze your teaching style, learning objectives, and student needs. This works because AI can identify patterns in successful lesson structures and adapt them to new content. The benefit? You maintain your unique teaching voice while saving hours of brainstorming. Step 2. Ask Claude to expand and modernize your content. Request specific elements like discussion questions, hands-on activities, and differentiated instruction options. Claude understands educational frameworks and can suggest research-backed teaching strategies. Why does this work so well? The AI has access to thousands of educational best practices and can instantly apply them to your specific subject and grade level. You'll get lessons that feel fresh and engaging without starting from scratch. Step 3. Generate your visual presentation using Gamma. Copy Claude's lesson outline and paste it into Gamma's AI presentation builder. Gamma automatically creates professional slides with relevant images, charts, and layouts. This eliminates the time-consuming task of hunting for images and formatting slides. Your students get visually appealing content that enhances learning, and you get professional-looking materials without the design headaches. Step 4. Create supplementary videos with VideoGen. Take key concepts from your lesson and turn them into short, explanatory videos. Simply input your topic, and VideoGen produces engaging video content with narration and visuals. This works because students retain information better when it's presented in multiple formats. The result? Higher engagement and better comprehension, plus you have reusable content for future classes. Step 5. Compile everything into your final lesson plan. Claude can help you organize all these elements into a cohesive structure, complete with timing, materials lists, and assessment strategies. This ensures nothing falls through the cracks and gives you confidence that every minute of class time is purposefully planned. Now, I was skeptical at first too. I thought AI-generated content would feel generic and impersonal. But here's what actually happened when I tried this approach. After using this system for just 1 month, my principal asked what professional development program I'd been attending because my lessons had become so much more dynamic and engaging. My students started asking for copies of the presentations to review at home. And here's the best part. I got my weekends back. Your challenge is simple. Choose one lesson you need to plan this week and try this 15-minute process. Set a timer and see how much high-quality content you can create. You might be surprised at how this small change transforms not just your planning time, but your entire teaching experience. Remember, the best teachers aren't the ones who work the hardest, they're the ones who work the smartest. Small changes in how you plan can create massive improvements in how you teach.